My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Audi A1. This vehicle has done just under 78,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On our steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, and on our screen we can access our parking aid, navigation, smartphone integration, radio, media, and if we press our drive select button we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: dynamic, auto and efficiency. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full black leather. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.